There's some technology underscore basic. Once again, we are here to learn. We have done merge configuration, we have done our ADs. The recent one was DHCP, how to use the DHCP. So today we are going to see how to use the share folders. Yeah, the share folder help us share common documents in the network domain, and it help us do backup, especially backup, because if the documents are in different folders, you may find difficult getting the backup accurately. So let's go ahead straight forward and create our backup. Because the users are here, we have created them. We can see the school group, and we have department under the group again, which is under organization unit. So we have teachers, admin account. So let's create a share folder and give to these people and see how it works. So let's go straight and create a share folder. So let me right click, new folder. So let me name it school. So I leave it like that, school, and let me share it. Go to property, click on share. So let's add the people we want to share with. Okay, let's say I want to add this department, teachers department. So teachers, I add them. Windows was unable to find the teachers. Okay. Oh. Okay. Share is done. Okay. This is the school group. So this is the name of the part. So let's add some members to this group, this share group. Let's add some group. So let me see. Okay, so our file, the folder we created is shared. This is the path name, // samlab -dc001 school is the share folder name. So let's create some names. Some security groups. Yeah, let's create some security group and see. So let's take this department teachers. The other day we created users and group. So okay, let's create one security group. Let's name it teachers. So let's leave it global and security. So this is group we have created as teachers. Let's add the next group. Let's add maybe admin. Let's create another group. There is no item. Okay, let's create another security group. Admin. Okay, so at least 2 is okay for the demonstration. Admit we have some few users over there, and teachers too, we have 2 users. So let's go ahead, and this is our school group. So the mistake is when we share it, you should have add these people. Here we can add. So let's search for teachers group here. Let's see whether we can find it. Yeah, we have added it. Let's add the next one, which is admin. Let's add them. So we have to add them, and these have permission only read. Okay, let's give them read and write. permission and share. So this is the path name, / samlab -dc001, then the folder name school. Okay, we are done. Close. So now the drive is marked, or it's shared. The drive is shared. The school drive is shared. So let's go and map it. Let's map it and see whether it will work. Let's map it. Let's map this drive. Where can we map it? Okay, let's go to the client and map it out. Or let's map it here. Okay, let's go to the client PC and see whether we can see it over there. So in so doing, this person, which group is this? So let me add somebody from one of those group, which is from maybe admin group. Let me see who is there. Admin group. There. This person is from the admin group. Let me add it and see. Okay, it's open. Okay, even from our server we can map it from the server here. Let's see. Before we go to the client, it's still loading. Let's map drive. So we remember the name is / so we can do it like that, / this is the name. So we can give a name. Let's say T. Let's see, this is the school drive. So if we go back, we will see that it's being mapped on this device. So this is our drive that we have mapped. So we are going to create some folders in this map drive for the department, those departments. So we have created two folders in the share folder. Okay, let's say admin and teachers. Okay, in admin again we can create another folders. Let's call it admin manager, and the second one, the same admin folder. Inside again we create another folder, admin assistant. We close it. Then we go back to teachers. We create another one. Teachers. Okay, let's say head teacher. And let's make assistant teacher or teachers. Okay, class teacher. Okay, let's make it class teachers. Teachers. Okay, so let's see how it works. So we have created the department folders in the share folder, the main share folder, which is called school. So in this case, if you assign this share folder for somebody, maybe admin department user, teacher may be seeing it. So we don't want a teacher to be seeing admin department share folders. Maybe the documented as securities. For security reason, we don't want each other to be seen. So let's remove one of them from each other. So let's say we click on admin and we click on security, admin properties security, the folder name which is admin, because we don't want teachers to be seeing admin folders. So admin security. So here we come, we want to remove teachers, so that's teachers advanced. Yes, so here we are, this is teachers. So we want to disable teachers, disable inheritance, so that admin cannot see teachers, teachers too cannot see admin folders. So let's click, so convert inheritance permission into explicit permission on this subject. So we convert, so we convert it, so now we can remove from here and we can apply. It's okay. So now admin is having full permission, admin is having full permission. So let's go the same procedure, we go to teachers, we click here, we go to security, advanced. So here we are going to disable inheritance like this. Okay, then we remove it. Sorry, let me pick this call. So here we have separated the department. So let's create, or let's add members to the group. Let's see, for example, this group account have 2 users, so we can decide to add, but for no confusion, let's add all together, because we can separate assistant admin and assistant manager separately. So going to, without much time spent, let's create one admin department. Let's share it. We share, this is the share name. So let's add one person, this is guard, so we can make guard read and write, then we share. So this is the part name, so we save it and we close it. So in teachers department, so we can right click. Okay, in here let's do it like this. Let's separate these ones too. Let's separate this one so that they cannot see from each other. This is head of department, property, share, we share this. So let's add, in teachers department, let's add one person. Let's add one person. Let's see, when we created the users, we have Adams dot Wahab, Adam dot Wahab. So let's add him and share. So in teachers too, this is their share folders for only head of department, for only the head of department teachers. So we are going to share them and see. So fast forward, let's go to the client PC, which is our window 10, to see how it's working. So this is our window 10. Now we are using admin user here, so let's paste the path here and open it and see. So this is our admin users share folders. Here we give all together, so it's all is coming. So let's look at this department too and see whether their own will come. So let's try logging in with so now we see that admin department, the share folder is working over there. We can map it over there for them. So let's come to other department. Let's try one department. This is teachers department. Adams dot Wahab password. Okay, let's open it quick so that we try mapping. Which map is that? we try mapping one of them. Let's look at it and see. This is the server. So this is the one we mapping, head teachers also. So this is the map name. We can copy and paste quick, but it will not work. Let me see here. So here you could see only head teacher department folder is open. So we have what we have logged into the client PC, which is the teachers department Wahab. So let's do what? Let's open let's map the drive. Let's map the drive in the client. Let's map the drive. This is network. Right click on network and map drive. Then we search for that server and find out so that we can be accurate, no mistake. So this is my server. So we can see the name here, samlab /teachers/head teacher. So that is the name we give to the part. So we are going to use it in the client PC here. Oh my goodness. Teachers, head teachers, something like that, right? Head teachers. So continue using different credential. Attempt to connect. So it connect. We can use enter your credential. You see, we can use the password. We can decide to sign in direct like that. Let's see. The mapping drive could not be created because the following error has occurred. Network resource or drive is no longer available. So those are some errors. Let's troubleshoot them and see. Let's troubleshoot them and see. Let's go to the server and see the condition of the folder. So here is the folder. Let's share again. Okay, it's being shared and it's done. Okay, teachers come before tech. Okay. Teachers came before head teacher. Okay, that's good. So let's go. So sometimes we need to check the spelling correctly, and they have to be teachers here, backslash again in between, because we do it department. So now let's try again. See, so now we are using our own login, because if we use the admin, the folder will come differently. So we need to use that specific person credential. So that's how it is. So let's use the admin. Here you see, administrator shooting because it's not connecting. But do you know something? If it's not connecting, we can use the IP of that device. So let's try the IP and see. Okay, it's here. So this is the IP of the server. So you see the folder. This is the folders we have created, we have shared. This is the inbuilt. So this is the school we are looking for. So teachers, but we are looking for head teacher because Wahab is under head teacher. So we come to head teacher. We can find it here, right? So let's try to map it straight up. Map. Then we can log in with this name, right? Let's say this is the server name, which the domain name, which is samlab.dc001. so maybe yours can be different, I don't know. So we can copy and paste here into our map. So we can map this, we can change the letters. Here we come. It works successfully. So let's go back to our, so here is it. Mistakenly we map it too, so we can disconnect one. So now it's working. We can rename it. We don't want the client to see the IP. We can rename it. It's head teacher, right? So we can leave it like that. So this folder is for only head teacher, you see. So the document is inside. So let's see whether head teacher have access to edit or create some folders. Head teacher is not having that permission. Yeah, so let's go to the server and give him that permission and see read and write permission. Okay, here is the folder. Let's go there to the security. You see he's not having any permission here. So let's edit it and give him some permission and give him some Wahab. Let me give him full control and see. Okay, so let's refresh the system. Let's refresh the system. So let's go to the client and see how it's working. Create a new folder. It's easy to create. You see it's working now. That means it's working. We can name it HR document, HR doc. So we can edit it. So it's working. Let's save. Let me close. Yes, save. So that's how simple we can create our share folder as an admin. As a help desk, you can also do this. It's easy to do. So this is SamLab. We are here to learn about IT. Share this to others and somebody to share to somebody, and we are all learning together. Like this page, share with your friend. SamLab is here to give us free knowledge. You can be going to your university or schools, but the practical is not enough. You can come here to learn. Thank you.